Introduction. JavaScript is a popular language for web development. Understanding the difference between let and var is crucial for writing effective code. Understanding var, the var keyword is function scoped. If declared outside of a function, var is globally accessible. When var is used within a function, it is accessible only within that function. Var is subject to hoisting. Declarations are moved to the top of their containing scope, but not initializations. Understanding let, the let keyword is block scoped, accessible only within the nearest set of curly braces. Let is not subject to hoisting. A let variable must be declared before it is used. Tips and tricks for let vs var. In general, it is best to use let for variable declaration due to its block scoping and lack of hoisting. Var can be useful in situations where you need to hoist a variable or want it to be globally accessible. Common mistakes to avoid include using a let variable before it's declared and assuming a var variable will be block scoped. Conclusion: let and var are both powerful tools in JavaScript. Understanding their scoping rules and properties allows for cleaner, more predictable code.